all the writers out there who are looking to write something new. So Google, when it ranks articles, it's going to show you stuff that people are already reading. So when you're writing for yourself, you ideally want to avoid that. You don't want to create more of what people are already reading because they're already reading it. That will put you in competition with a lot of work. So instead of doing that, what you want to do is figure out what people want to read and create more of that. So that's my writing tip. I hope you like it. Happy writing. And if you are a freelancing creative, if you are a creative who freelances, I want you to do two things every single day. Okay? One, do one thing for your art or your creation. Two, do one thing for your business or that which you do to earn money so that you can continue to create whatever it is you create. Do this every day. It's gonna pay up. So that's my freelancing tip of the day. Storytelling. This is probably one of the most overused word in the writing community, primarily because of how well it works. Storytelling is when instead of telling people, I am very good at translating, you construct a story around that. So instead of saying, I am an amazing translator, what I can do is, I can create a fictional narrative. Say, I was in a foreign country and there was this other foreigner who was not able to communicate with the local, and then I stepped in and facilitated whatever it is that was going on in that transaction, right? So I proved that in the native country, I could communicate in that language. I don't even have to mention that I'm a good translator there. It's automatically implied. So from a branding standpoint, you can use storytelling of that sort to create epic commercial results. Bye-bye. I'm posting consistently. My posts are getting a lot of engagement, and yet somehow I'm not getting good leads. I'm not getting people who would pay me a lot of money. How do you get paid when your posts don't even have like 20 likes or 5 comments? To this, I will tell you just one thing. Just because you like doing something does not mean people will be willing to buy that something from you. When we talk about engagement and leads, this is something that is very important to remember. Your post has to convey to a possible prospect that you can deliver that which they are seeking. So instead of creating engaging posts, alongside creating engaging posts, create posts that convey niche information. Okay, that way you'll get high paying leads. Bye-bye. Care about the appearance of reality. Repeat this with me. If you are a new freelance writer, you have to care about the appearance of reality when you create content around social media to get prospects, to get leads, to get people to hire you for proper charges. Primarily because while actual reality is not always very engaging, but it definitely does bring you leads. So at least care about the appearance of reality when you start creating content. Engagement is important, but it's not the only thing in the world. If you want high paying gigs, you have to stick to reality. Yeah? Bye-bye.